that much time on that one section. Half of these
Step
girls
up.
never danced in high heels, yet alone stood up and walked in them. Why would y'all think we would want to take this show on the road and go over there?
I think that they're going to get there and they're going to see the world outside
Step
Texas.
up.
And then they will get fired up from that. Even if they win, you won't be able to tell them nothing. But if they lose, they're going to go, this is what's outside of
No, we're not going
Texas.
to no lose. Girl, if you're going to be in it, you might as well win it.
What? No. They're good enough to go compete in LA.
Hey, say, are you going to practice this routine every single day? So you're not going to go to California and lose, are you? You're going to go to California and you're going to win.
I'm very upset. Ace was extremely excited to go compete in LA. All the kids should get to go. They work very hard.
You guys got to also think, too, how are we going to be able to finish the dance and then even get to clean it? I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. For me personally, I feel like I should focus on the teens and seniors for this one because this is a big event for them.
So you're saying these kids can't compete in LA?
I think that...
Give them a chance.
I honestly feel in my heart, I don't think I'm going to take the group.
You look fluffy butt.
This is disgusting. We're going to go to LA regardless.
Me and Jada, we're expecting to go to LA, so I'm most definitely disappointed. But I mean, if he's saying no, there's nothing we can do.
Oh, no.
Well, I think
We have to.
I'm just saying.
No, I heard Marcelo can clean anything.
You guys. What you're wanting to do is so quick. It needs more work for sure. I can't clean it if they're not learning the steps yet. Do you know what I'm saying?
So you just
but they have to dance an hour. It's really hard. An hour. Right. They have to dance
They still have to learn costuming
and props and heels.
I'm paying tuition for you to come and teach the class. And if you can't do it, we can find somebody else that wants to get paid. Look at the unemployment line. I'm sure there's a dance teacher somewhere over there that we can bring in and pay a lot less than her.
We've all heard Marcela can clean. Marcela can clean.
I do all of it. I've been doing this for 28 years.
Clean it.
Yes.
I agree that we are ready to go to Los Angeles, but Marcela thinks, no, they're not ready. And I'm like,
You don't know our kids. I know, but my little ones won everything too. So I don't want to go not winning either.
And how long have you had little kids?
I always had 8 members.
But you haven't had these kids.
I don't need anybody to tell me how to do my job. I'm not there for them. I'm there for their kids. Ugh, makes me so mad. I've judged, I've done it all, and they're not ready. Really? What? Okay.
Magical mirror on the wall.
Oh shit, you're wet.
Crazy dance mom of them all. Is it angry Angie? Is it treacherous Tina? Or cuckoo cuckoo Kelly? Or D, all the above?
Why are you so wet?